Let's talk about hybrid pigment on the market. It's when the product contains both organic and inorganic. But there is a requirement for a hybrid formula to be proper. It must contain 2 iron oxide at least. And I'm not talking right now about titanium dioxide, iron oxides. Even flow hybrid formula have 4 pigments in the set, and I believe this is what you need. You can always mix them between or use straight, and it's gonna cover all your clients' needs from Fitzpatrick 1 to 6. Each pigment contains 3 types of iron oxide colorants and 3 organic colorants. There is 4 factors that can influence blue-gray ashy eyebrows. Number 1, pigment composition. Organic always heal cooler because particles of carbon black sinking into the deeper layer of the skin. Number 2, amount of pigment. Number 3, depth of implanted pigment. If we implant too deep, we perceive pigment cooler and darker. And the last one is the skin condition and general health of the client. And if the skin is still in healing process, we're gonna perceive color cooler. Even flow hybrid formula set is warmer, vibrant browns that stay in the skin for a long time. We're talking about 1 year, and it's gonna fade in the skin without changing the color. At the same time, it's not necessary to implant tightly and a big amount of the pigment because the color retention of this formula is high. You need to implant as much as you like right now, and it's gonna heal beautifully. What else unique in the hybrid formula even flow? Usually brown colors in permanent makeup pigments created by mixing red, yellow, and carbon black, and usually carbon black heal cooler. We in even flow hybrid formula, we minimize percentage of carbon black by adding another type of black, which is 77499. Those pigments heal beautifully with a light brown color. Let's start with Marina. It's intense dark brown shade, which you can use straight or diluted. Next one is Castagna. It's classic dark shade of brown. Can be also used as a mixing color or straight from the bottle. Next one is Bonita, which is medium brown color. Next one is Rubia, warm golden brown color. Hybrid formula even flow made with the pure and high quality ingredients. EU is strict and safety is number 1 priority, and we are proud to follow all the guidelines. I hope this has helped with some of your questions. If you still have questions, you can leave down below.